So I went a bit too far. I have to go back. Just 5 kilometers, but I didn't look for the signs. I was just enjoying the ride, and I think I'm gonna go back there to where the greenhouse is in the back there. It's beautiful here. Look at this white island over there. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Ha. Ah, pavement, nice. This is a rough road. This is really hard. You see the different layers in there? Huh. Well, I just wanted to have a look at it and wanted to see if this is soft or not, but it looks... Oh yeah. Just packed sand with salt, I guess. Nice. Well, here we go.
Let's not go back to normality. Normality has never really worked. The world needs to work for all humanity without ecological offense. We have been way too short-sighted. It's time to think comprehensively. Systems feed off each other. The world is based on synergy. Wild
Give some love to my motorcycle. Brings me everywhere. So reliable. And the funny thing, after I'm down from San Pedro de Atacama, you know, I've been up there for a few months on 2,500 meters. Oh, the power is back, so there's enough oxygen for explosions, and it's so much fun to ride. Brilliant bike, love it.
yesterday's contriving. Solutions need to be removed. Air and sunlight is for all of us. Natural resources should be shared. Possession can therefore be obsolete. An illness from which we can be cured.
Okay, well, here is really finale. You can go trekking, but it takes a few hours to the coast. Here you see this, the Las Lomitas. Here you have a nice view on the coast, but it's yeah, 8 kilometers, 3 hours something. I'm not in the mood. Well, you saw, only outlaws will be free. In the pandemic, everything is closed. This also means nobody is in here, so I'm gonna ride the little road back and find myself a little nice spot to camp there. Maybe down there where the creek was, where it was green. This is where I'm going now. I got enough water, I got food, got gasoline, and I'm in a good mood. So, let's go.
Uncover troops so far ignored. Let's design and plan better future. The question is, how big can we think to holistically regenerate? Confronted by a deep sense of urgency, we really need to start joining those dots and create a new.
It is unbelievably beautiful here. And I just rode up this little old creek bed, and I know it's forbidden. Well, but forbidden, it's nature, and I'm human. This is my planet. I don't leave trash. Au contraire, if I see trash, I take it with me. And right there, I'm gonna pitch up my tent in silent and play a little guitar here with this sound. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. Thank you, COVID. I like this. I like places where no people are and no people are going or getting. And I love it here. The outlaws will be free. Check out how beautiful this is. First it was in the back there. Look. The end. But then I thought this would be the nice and better place. It's astonishingly beautiful. There's a little canyon. I guess when it's raining the water comes down here, and there must be a little waterfall on the end there. But it looks good. The weather should not change, so it's gonna be a brilliant night. I haven't seen the last time I saw humans or a person was in Tal at the gas station. Then a few cars on the road here, but in here in this Pan de Azucar, looks like I'm totally alone. This is why I love wild camping. Excellent, good day. Shame, I was just getting ready for cooking. Sliced the cheese. I wanted to make some quesadillas. And then I found out that with my oven this morning when I made the coffee, I lost this little triangle that is in here. Now the gasoline burner is not working anymore. So, well, I have to build one myself because I'm pretty sure I don't get it anywhere around here. Just, I could cut it out of a can, but well, whatever. Now it's cold quesadillas. It's a bit of a shame. Oh, I'm a bit annoyed. I hate to lose things. And I didn't. Yeah, I must be anywhere this morning at the beach. I don't know. Didn't put attention to it. Not careful enough. And these are the consequences. Cold dinner. No, mama.